come with me.
Sprinkles, that's not back to school.
Shh. They don't know. Get yourself together. Oh, I'm not going to school here.
Hey Princess Squad, it's T.
And Sprinkles.
So we're doing the back to school challenge
And it's orange
versus black.
First off, at the front of the store, I see this section with a whole bunch of backpacks. I see this black one. I love it. I love that they have so many pockets because I love to put things in there like my cup. I'm going to add it to my cart and go to the area where they have school and office supplies because the back section where they used to have back to school supplies no longer exists. It's filled with Halloween. So here I am, you guys. So if you don't know, it's right here. There's aisles and aisles and aisles of school supplies if you're missing something for back to school. First up, notebooks time. There's not that many notebooks because it's not back to school season anymore. I see this small one. Should I grab it? Okay, I think that I will. Let's see if there's a bigger one. There's not that many options left, but I do see one right underneath this purple one here. It's a black notebook. I'm going to grab that one. And let's go ahead and grab this smaller size one also.
Okay, so here we're at the binders, and look, I already found an orange binder. All right, we're at the notebooks, and I see this has a little bit of orange, but I'm really liking this one.
I do love me a good journal. There's so many pretty ones, but this small one is catching my eyes.
I definitely need the secrets book.
Ooh, look. I found another book. My goodness, they even have a little teeny tiny one.
Next up are the binders. There's a whole bunch of black smaller ones here, and there's some small ones over here and some big ones right here. I think I'm gonna go with this one here. I mean, there's only two choices. Adding it to my cart.
All right, so I see some orange things over here, and look at these cute rainbow magnets. This will go great for the lockers. I see more stuff. Oh, I found some rainbow mechanical pencils, and there's orange. Let's see what else they have here. Look, they have orange erasers, and it's on sale.
Up next are folders. I have to really dig, but I found this black one underneath all of these colorful ones, adding it to my cart. Grabbing these permanent markers because I love using permanent markers to label everything, and it comes with a free gel pen. Can't go wrong with that. And pencils are normally yellow, but there's this black pack right here. My lucky day, adding it to the cart. And also I see these mechanical pencils. That's all black, adding that to the cart too.
All right, highlighters. Ooh, I want this one. Okay, let's see. Here we have an orange here with some animals. Oh, there's also some here. Oh, it says altitude. I'll just grab these both. All right, let's see. We need glue. I see some pink glow-in-the-dark glue. I see some of this. Let me see. Oh, look. Orange glue sticks.
And next up, we have more markers. This is a jumbo Sharpie. Yeah, I need that in my life. And there are so many choices. I love these felt tip pens. They're one of my favorites. And there are just so many options to pick from. I wish I could pick the colorful one, but we're gonna go with the felt tip. And I think I'm looking for my gel pens. They're like my go-to pens. They're like this, but just black. Is it this one? No, it's not that one. Oh, those colors. Okay, this is it. I'm going to add this one to my cart. Wait a minute. These black binders look so much cooler than the other ones. I'm going to add this into my cart and take this one out, and I'm going to put it back. Uh-oh, they all fell down, but you know what? I'm gonna pick it up.
All right, I need to look for some backpacks and lunch bags. Oh, Halloween. Look. Cheese balls. Let's see here. I see some water bottles, and here's an orange one. All right, lunch bag. Do y'all see any? Yes, I found one. It has cute little sunny faces on it.
Next up, there's all of these colorful markers and crayons and matte colors. I can't get any of them because they're colorful and not black only. So let's see, what else do we have over here? I see a whole bunch of glue, and of course no black glue, so can't get that either. But I spy black scissors, and adding that to my cart. And I do see this extra large poster board marker. Yeah, I love making posters, adding that to my cart. Now it's time to go to the back of the store where they have backpacks and lunch bags. I'm just taking a quick peek to see what I missed. This would have been my other option, but I think the one I picked out is a lot cuter. Oh, Hello Kitty. Okay, lunch bags. There's like plain black ones, and there's some that looks like a purse, but this cheetah print one, I'm definitely digging that one. There's Minnie and Mickey Mouse. That's cool too. But the cheetah print one, let's see. My options are quite limited. This reptile one, this cute purse one. Let's go with the cheetah one. I think that's my favorite. And now I need a little cup. Let's see, the Batman one might work, or Minecraft, but I'm gonna go with the all black one, which is this one here. It's nice and matte.
All right, let's see. We have a lot of cute ones, but why is there like only a llama backpack and it's kind of small, but I guess it's cute.
While I'm back here, let's just go ahead and take a peek at Halloween. I mean, it's just right here. There's so many costumes. Wait a minute, my favorite, Maleficent. She's my favorite ever. And you know what? I just need to focus. Okay, hold on. Is that what I think it is back there? I've been looking for this Witch's Brew slime drink kit since last year. It sold out last year. I'm definitely grabbing one. I don't care if this is a back to school challenge. I'm grabbing it. It's coming home with me. Adding it to my cart. There are so many more decorations. Focus!
Friend, don't come with me.
Sprinkles, that's not back to school.
Get yourself together. I'm not going to school here.
Okay, this is everything black.
Which one is your favorite black item? My favorite is this black little secret notebook.
All right, guys, this is everything orange.
Which one do you like better? The black school supplies?
Or the orange. Let us know what other challenges you guys would like to see next.
And always remember to dream big
Have fun.
and be kind. Bye.